Leonardo AI flow state. Let's take a look at this. We'll generate some prompts and we'll see what we come up with. Flow state. Let's take a look. Well, we'll see here what we can do. We're going to put in a prompt. This is a prompt I was using earlier in Leonardo AI. And we're here over here. We have the flow state, we have the style, the vibes. Take a look at that, all different vibes. Street photo, watercolor, surreal, sci-fi. Whoa. Let's take a look at sci-fi. We got lighting, it's automatic. Let's try mystical with it. Let's go down to shot type. And we'll pick out cinematic. And color themes. What should we pick out here? What do you think, guys? Let's try vibrant, the first one. And we're going to go with 16 by 9. And we're going to generate that one. Let's see what we come up with. Doesn't take too long to really show up. That was pretty quick. I had a lot of things running in the background on my computer system.
Subscribe to Cliff's channel and enjoy.
Wow, that looks awesome. Now what's amazing about this is at the moment this is free. I'm on a paid plan. Actually, I have a month free here and I'm going to go on a yearly. And it's not taking away any credits from me when I generate. But you can get 150 credits, I believe, at the moment. At this date and time, I think it's December 12th. I'm going to take a look down below, make sure. But anyways, try to get 150 credits and give it a try. Things can change at any time. I can fine-tune your style, use more like this to generate images similar to style and prompt used. This has been done a few times to narrow down your style, which I'm not going to do at the moment. But I'm going to open up some of these, take a look. That's in the widescreen. And motion is coming to this, I believe, eventually someday. I believe I saw that. You can also, this is also tied to Canva. I believe Canva ended up purchasing Leonardo AI. That has to be double checked and researched, but that's what I've heard. Never know. But if you wanted to make a motion out of this, you have to download it to your library, or you can download it to your desktop hard drive or external. But I noticed that it has to go to the library, then you bring it back up into Leonardo AI. You bring it into your library, and then you can double click on it to expand it, and you'll see motion there, and you can create motion. I'll show motion at the end of this video. But let's take a look at what we have here. This looks nice, very nice. And before you leave this page, pick out something that you prefer, and you can download it. I'm going to save it to the library. Save this one as well. I want to do motion later on. Very nice. Let's go back and try something else. Just go on automatic there. Let's try that to see what comes up when we generate it. I'm new to this flow state, so bear with me. Pretty simple to use. It's nice. Very nice. Save that one to the library. Whoa, look at that. That's off the prompt that I use to generate this. You can change your prompt anytime. Whoa, I gotta go back to that one. Nice color tones in there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Save that to the library. Got that out. And let's try something different. Add the mystical. Let's try luminous. Let's stay on the cinematic. Don't go with electric. Nice. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Cliff, the tones are looking fabulous. I just subscribed to your channel.
Whoa, that looks cool. Pretty impressed with this. Oh, man, that was beautiful tones in there. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Wow. Oh my goodness. Whoa. That's awesome. Let's go try something else. Let's experiment with soft light. Take a look at this. Let's look at motion. Take a look at full black. Let me see if I can set this up on my Stream Deck. Just push a button and come back up to generate instead of scrolling back up. Washington. Very nice. Oh. What work. Take a look at a tattoo. Switch this over one by one. Vibrant. That is nice. The X button there. Let's try something else. Let's try Pro Photo. Well, let's give it a shot. Spiritual. What do we have to lose? Different for spiritual.
Wow, Cliff, I heard you have more great AI video tutorials coming soon.
And the automatic. You notice my points aren't coming down. The more I scroll down, the more generations I'll be able to see. Cool. Great storm. Oh, no overhead. Jet black. decent. I'm impressed with the flow's giving me there. Points aren't really that much. They do charge, I believe. To be fair, Leonardo the AI has a very fair price. I was in a sci-fi, the LiDAR, low angle, iridescent. Very cool. Try a different prompt here. Go with the automatic. Try another automatic. Let's go with all automatics. See what happens.
Hey Cliff, is it true that you have Canva and FreePK tutorials coming in 2025? That will be awesome. I can't wait to see those videos.
That's awesome. Very nice. Nice looking up. Yeah. Okay. That's the other one I did over there. Right here. This is the one I did on Leonardo AI with the same prompt and started with the flow. Pretty cool. I like that. Very nice. There's some other related videos I did. Little example, motion. Beautiful. That is cool. I'll be doing some other videos. Take a look. Please like and subscribe. If you'd like to leave a comment, that's fine. I'm never going to email you. Well, ring the bell. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.